Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about how to use AI to transform your branding and design agency. Okay, so let's admit it. Our digital landscape is evolving faster than ever, and small businesses, and especially creative and branding and design agencies, need to stay ahead of the curve to stay competitive. One of the most significant advancements in recent months is the ability to integrate artificial intelligence, or AI, into your business processes. AI isn't a buzzword anymore. It's a vast array of powerful tools that can transform how your small business or agency operates. AI can enhance your creativity, enhance your services, and drive real growth in your business. In this video, I'm going to explore how small businesses and creative agencies can leverage AI to elevate your branding and your design efforts. Plus, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic CRM tool called Folk, who are sponsoring this video. First, let's talk about the rise of AI in small businesses. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and its applications are now accessible to businesses of all sizes. For small businesses in particular, AI offers some real significant benefits. One of the key advantages is the automation of repetitive tasks. AI can handle routine activities like scheduling social media posts and managing email campaigns, and even generating reports. This kind of automation frees up your time and allows you to focus on more strategic activities that drive your business forward. Another standout benefit of AI is its ability to make ideating and generating content for social media so much faster and easier, and at scale. By using AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini and Claude, you can easily generate months worth of content in just a few hours. By using AI, you can also track the performance of your content campaigns and make data-driven decisions that's going to optimize the results that you get. AI also enables personalization like never before. If you feed AI apps like ChatGPT clear information on your target customer, the content that you're going to create is going to be a lot more targeted and more effective in driving engagement and driving sales and helping you build stronger and deeper client relationships. All right, now let's discuss why AI matters for branding and design agencies. Branding and design are inherently creative fields, right? But they also require a strategic approach. AI can enhance both aspects by providing tools that support creativity while optimizing workflow. For instance, AI can assist in generating design ideas and suggesting color schemes and even creating initial drafts of logos or graphics. Now, I do not recommend that you use generative AI like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion to create final artwork, but instead, these AI-generated designs can be treated as suggestions so they can serve as inspiration for your design, sparking your ideation and saving you a lot of time. In addition to enhancing creativity, AI can streamline your workflow by managing project timelines and allocating resources and tracking progress on projects. AI can ensure that your projects stay on schedule and on budget, again, improving efficiency and also profitability. Now, I want to take a moment and introduce you to Folk, who are sponsoring this video. As your agency grows, managing client relationships becomes increasingly important, and this is where Folk comes in. Folk is an all-in-one CRM tool designed for agencies who want to reach the right clients, nurture lasting connections, and drive new business. Folk syncs with your email client like Gmail and Outlook to update your team's interactions with your contacts, ensuring that everyone is always on the same page. And with pipeline views, you can manage your content process really efficiently and track the status of each client relationship so nothing falls through the cracks. One really powerful aspect of Folk is that it allows you to send bulk email campaigns and makes it really easy to reach out to your contacts at scale. Another standout feature is that it has social media integration, meaning it lets you import your contacts directly from LinkedIn and other social networks, making it super easy to keep your client database up to date. So I want you to click on the link below in the description to go to Folk and try it for free and see how it can streamline your business. Now let's talk about some real-world applications of AI in creative agencies. Automated design tools like Adobe Sensei use AI to enhance the design process. It automates repetitive tasks and provides design suggestions that can accelerate your design process and also introduce new creative possibilities. Google Analytics is now heavily driven by AI and can provide much deeper insights than ever before into your website's performance. And these kinds of insights can help you understand user behavior and optimize your online presence. This can help you refine your branding and marketing strategies so they're more effective than ever. You can also use AI for direct engagement and communication. AI-powered chatbots like Drift can handle client inquiries, book appointments, and assist in customer support. And this automation frees up your team's time for more complex tasks and ensures that clients receive really prompt and accurate responses. Next, let's discuss leveraging AI for marketing and branding. AI offers a ton of opportunities to enhance your ability to get more clients. AI-powered content creation tools like Copy AI and Jasper and Grammarly can generate high-quality content for your marketing campaigns. And it doesn't matter if you need blog posts or social media updates or email newsletters, those tools can help you generate engaging content really quickly, ensuring that your marketing efforts are consistent and effective. Now, personalized marketing is another area where AI really shines. By analyzing your consumer data, AI can create tailored marketing campaigns that resonate better with your target audience. And this can lead to higher engagement rates and better ROI for your marketing efforts. Now, one of the barriers that these new AI tools have absolutely crushed is what used to be the domain of data analytics firms. It's possible now for a small agency and even an individual freelancer to use AI to predict future trends based on historical data. And this allows you to stay ahead of the curve and make more proactive decisions, ensuring that your agency remains competitive in a rapidly changing market. And that doesn't even mention the insights you can generate and provide to your clients, turning you into a true strategic business partner instead of just a mouse-pushing design service provider. Now let's talk about some future trends in AI for small businesses. As AI continues to evolve, new trends are emerging that small businesses really need to keep an eye on. Voice search optimization is becoming increasingly important with the rise of smart speakers like Alexa and also voice assistants on mobile devices. AI can help you understand how people are using voice search so you can tailor your content to what they're actually looking for and what your online presence says, so it can stay relevant and accessible. Another exciting trend is the use of augmented reality powered by AI. AR applications can provide interactive and immersive experiences for your clients. For example, you can use AR to showcase design concepts or create virtual tours of your portfolio, which can offer client prospects a new and really engaging way to experience your work. This can really give your portfolio that wow factor that can differentiate you from your competition. Okay, so how can you implement AI in your agency? To successfully implement AI in your branding or design agency, you need to start by identifying your needs. Decide which areas of your business could benefit the most from AI. Is it automating repetitive tasks? Is it enhancing the design process? Or maybe it's improving client communication or client prospect tracking. When you have a clear understanding of what your needs are, then you can research AI tools that cater specifically to those areas. Consider factors like ease of use and integration capabilities and cost to find the right tool for you. The best way is to start small, beginning with a few AI tools and gradually expanding as you see results. This approach allows you to manage the transition smoothly and to make adjustments as needed. You want to continuously monitor the performance of your AI tools and gather feedback from your team to ensure that the tools are meeting your needs and actually delivering the results that you want. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI and take your agency to the next level. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and bang that notifications bell so you can get alerted when I post something new or when I do a live stream. And that's it. Until next time, bye for now.